So in this video I'll be sharing the recipe of this my very tasty vitamin C nutrient dense skin glow smoothie to help glow your skin from within, because as I always say, whatever you put internally reflects outerly. As you put in a nutrient dense smoothie into your system, most especially rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E like this juice, trust me, you will look so youthful and glow effortlessly consuming nutrient dense juices like this. So you can replace all the sugary pops, sodas, which are very unhealthy, loaded with sugars that will age your skin, make your skin looking not healthy, with healthy options like this, which equally taste so good in the mouth, will lift nutrients into your system, glow your skin from within, and you will have that ageless glow to your skin. So I'll not waste your time. I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this very tasty vitamin C skin glow juice you can make yourself at home and put in nutrients into your system. Equally, do not forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay looking good and healthy. So since we are making a concentrated vitamin C juice to glow the skin from within, we'll be using a variety of citrus fruits which are rich in vitamin C, plus a couple of other fruits and vegetables. The first on this list will be oranges. We'll need 2 oranges for this juice of today. What you need to do is to get your orange, wash thoroughly and peel as I'm doing. So oranges are loaded with vitamin C, highly rich in vitamin C to glow your skin from within. So these are the first 2 oranges. The next ingredient you want to add is 1 lemon. So same as the orange, you get your lemon, you peel your lemon and put in your bowl. The next thing you want to add is grapefruits. So you just simply need to get 2 grapefruits, peel as the same thing I did with the orange and the lemon, and add in your bowl. These are citrus fruits and they are loaded with vitamin C, like they are highly rich in vitamin C to glow your skin from within. So what you need to do is slice up these ingredients and put in your bowl. Slice in sizes that you can easily juice. Voila, so these are the first ingredients. You have in there citrus fruits, different citrus fruits, lemon, oranges and grapefruit. The next thing you want to add is papaya, which is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. It is highly rich in vitamin E and vitamin A as well, which is what gives you that ageless glow to your skin. So if you don't have papaya, you can replace with mangoes. They are all good as well, but papayas have so many benefits, like what you need for that ageless glow to your skin: vitamin A, E, C, which helps your body make collagen for a very youthful and ageless looking skin. So you want to use half a papaya. So papaya is what we call in Africa pawpaw. So you want to get your papaya, divide in the middle. You need just half a papaya for the juice of today. You slice in sizes that you can easily juice or blend if you are blending. Voila, so this is sliced half and a papaya. The next thing you want to add in this, so this is my half papaya, I'm keeping in the refrigerator to eat later. The next thing you want to add is 1 pineapple, like 1 whole full pineapple. Pineapples are equally highly rich in vitamin C, loaded with vitamin C to help glow your skin from within. The core of the pineapple, that is the middle of the pineapple, has an enzyme in it called bromelain to help boost your metabolism, speed up your metabolism so you can digest food fast, or whatever is in your system. Any dirt, it easily flushes out of your system as well. So your system is clean from within, because if your system is clean from within, it reflects outerly coupled with the vitamin C in pineapples, that will glow your skin from within as well. So we are using one full pineapple. You want to slice your pineapple in sizes that you can easily juice as well. Voila, that is one pineapple. So these are the ingredients: half a papaya, then you have grapefruit, lemon and orange. The next thing you want to do now is get your juicer. If you're blending, you can blend everything, consume as a smoothie. If you're juicing, you juice. It's all left for you to decide. But I'm juicing. I want a juice for now. But you can equally blend and have it as a smoothie. But I want it as juice. So yeah. So get you yourself a blender and a juicer to stay healthy. This is it, so healthy. You can carry to work, replace all the sugary drinks with all healthy juices like this, putting in nutrients into your system that will help glow your skin from within, flush toxins out of your system, and equally help form a disease fighting barrier so you can always stay healthy. So these are healthy options for all the sugary pops and sodas. Get you yourself a blender and a juicer and stay healthy like Reza. So I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.